First of all, check out this stunning video made effortlessly with just one click.
After months of being away, Air Force Captain Ryan Cooper was finally on his way home. His heart was full of excitement, thinking about the moment he would see his wife, Emma, and their little daughter again. Meanwhile, at home, Emma was in the kitchen, humming softly as she prepared Ryan's favorite meal. The aroma filled the house, making her smile as she thought of his return. Suddenly, the lights went out. She froze. Confused, she peeked outside. Every house in the neighborhood was lit except hers. Her pulse quickened. Something wasn't right. Then, she heard footsteps on the roof. Her heart raced. Before she could react, her phone rang. It was Ryan.
So, the video you just watched was generated in just 5 minutes simply by giving a story. And to make such videos, you don't need to write any prompts, generate images, or use multiple tools to convert those images into videos. Because today, I am going to introduce you to a powerful tool that lets you create amazing videos just from a story easily and effortlessly. In this video, I'll show you how to create both a realistic video using your own character and a high-quality cartoon video as well. So make sure you don't miss even a single step. By following this process, you can explore categories like mythology, anime, and films too. So just watch the video carefully, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really motivates a lot. Alright then, without any delay, let's get started. So, to create an amazing video from just a story, today I'll be using a tool that can generate a high-quality video in just one click, and that too with consistent characters. To access it, simply open the browser on your mobile or laptop and search for Catalyst AI. Then click on the website to open it. You'll also find the link in the video description, so you can directly visit the interface from there as well. Now, click on Try for free and sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll see a simple and clean interface, and to create a video from your story in just one click, you'll find 3 main options here. The first option lets you either generate a script using AI or use your own custom script. With the blank project option, you can design every scene and character according to your own vision. And with the last option, you can create your own unique template. And the best part, you'll find multiple styles and categories here, like anime, cartoon, and film, which I'll be showing and exploring for you in the next part of the video. But before that, let me show you how to create one of those amazing cinematic videos that are going viral these days, where I'll use my own character and generate all the images and video clips in high quality with just one click. So for this, I'll click on Generate from Idea and Script to open it. Here, you can paste your own script, and in the second one, you can simply share an idea and the tool will generate a video from it. I'll also show you this second method later by creating a cartoon video. But for now, I'll simply paste a script that I've already generated using ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, this tool will analyze your script and automatically generate perfect prompts for every scene. If you want to change any scene, you can click on this icon and enter your own prompt. You can also uncheck any scenes you don't want to include. Then, after selecting your video ratio, click on Next, and you'll be redirected to the style selection page where you'll see options like cinematic, cartoon, anime, and many more. I'll simply select the cinematic option and click on Next, and now comes the most exciting part of this tool, the casting feature. Here, the tool will automatically generate characters that perfectly match your story. But today, I'm going to show you how to use your own character, which is an absolute game changer for YouTube automation and 100% monetization. So watch the video carefully, because after this, you'll also be able to create videos using your own character, that too in just one click. For that, I'll simply click on the pencil icon below the main characters of the story. Now, the character description will open in front of you. To bring your own face into the video, just click on Change Appearance and select Create from Scratch. Next, click on Upload Face Reference and select your photo from the gallery. Then, hit Save and your character will be added based on your face. You can also customize other characters the same way, just repeat the process for each one. Once all the characters are finalized, simply click on Create Project. And look at this, guys, within a few seconds, the tool has generated high-quality images for every scene, with my character perfectly consistent throughout the video. That was honestly super impressive. The best part is, you can still edit or customize any image however you want. For example, if you don't like a particular scene, simply click on Edit. a new interface will open up where, using the first option, you can crop or adjust the image. With the brush tool, you can add anything to the image. For instance, I'm using the brush here, entering a prompt, and boom, within seconds, that element appears perfectly in the image. You can also use the erase tool to remove anything or even add images from your gallery. And seriously guys, these features are just next level. Once you're satisfied, just click on save to confirm your changes. In the same way, you can edit or modify other images too. If you want to delete an image, simply click between the two images and remove it. And if you want to add a new scene, just click on the plus icon and insert any new scene you want. Now that we have amazing images for every scene, it's time to turn them into a stunning animated video, and yes, it just takes one click. To do this, simply click on Create Video and you'll be taken to the timeline interface. Here, you'll see all your images arranged in sequence. But before converting them into a video, let's add voiceover and background music. As soon as you click on Add Voice, you'll see two options. In the first option, you can paste your voiceover script or dialogues, choose a voice artist, and generate professional quality audio automatically. You can also adjust the audio directly on the timeline as per your preference. Or, using the second option, you can simply upload your own voiceover file by clicking on Upload Audio File. Once that's done, just click on Generate All Video and then choose any model or style you like to create a high-quality animated video. Now, within a few moments, this tool will convert all your images into a beautiful animated video automatically. And when the process is complete, simply click on Export to save your final video. So now, without any delay, let me show you the final result.
After months of being away, Air Force Captain Ryan Cooper was finally on his way home. His heart was full of excitement, thinking about the moment he would see his wife, Emma, and their little daughter again. Meanwhile, at home, Emma was in the kitchen, humming softly as she prepared Ryan's favorite meal. The aroma filled the house, making her smile as she thought of his return. Suddenly, the lights went out. She froze. Confused, she peeked outside. Every house in the neighborhood was lit except hers. Her pulse quickened. Something wasn't right. Then, she heard footsteps on the roof. Her heart raced. Before she could react, her phone rang. It was Ryan. "Emma, listen carefully. Terrorists disguised as Air Force officers are near our home. Lock every door and don't trust anyone." Her hands shook as she gripped the phone. Just then, there was a loud knock at the door. Thinking quickly, Emma hid her daughter, took a deep breath and opened the door with a calm smile. "Oh, you must be my husband's team. Please come in. Dinner's ready." The men laughed darkly as they stepped inside. Emma's hands trembled as she walked to the kitchen, but her mind was sharp. Silently, she mixed sleeping pills into their food and water. Minutes later, one by one, the men collapsed, unconscious. At that moment, Ryan's Jeep screeched to a halt outside. He rushed in, gun in hand, only to find his brave wife standing tall beside the captured terrorists. He looked at her, eyes full of pride. "You've proved tonight, my love."
So, isn't it amazing? A stunning video with smooth camera movements and a perfectly consistent character created in just one click. And honestly, this tool is an absolute game changer for anyone running an automation channel. So, after seeing this result, what do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's create a cartoon video using the same process. For that, I'll simply select the cartoon option and open the preset. Then, I'll enter a simple idea and choose the number of scenes I want in the video. After that, I'll just click on Generate. In a few moments, the tool will turn my simple idea into detailed scene prompts. I'll move ahead without making any changes. Select the video ratio and click Next. In the style options, I'll again choose cartoon and click Next. Now, just like before, the tool will automatically generate characters based on the script, but yes, you can still make changes if you want. Once everything looks good, simply click on Confirm Project. In just a short time, the tool will automatically generate perfect images for every scene. No need to change a thing. Then, just click on Create Video to open the timeline. From here, add your voiceover and finally click on Generate All Video to send all scenes for animation. Once your video is ready, simply use the export option to save it to your gallery. And guys, here it is, the final output. Watch it and tell me in the comments how did you like it.
On a misty rooftop, young Clara stands beneath the moonlight, her lantern glowing softly in the fog. From the swirling shadows, a playful cloud goblin appears, turning calm skies into a raging storm. Her lantern flickers, revealing a secret message, calling her to bring balance back to the heavens. With courage, Clara races across rooftops, chasing the goblin through fog and moonlight. Suddenly, a glowing staircase of clouds appears, spiraling high into the stormy sky. At the top, she finds the goblin trapped in his own chaos, lightning crackling all around him. Clara lifts her lantern high, its golden light calming the winds and softening the darkness. The goblin's eyes glimmer with regret, as together they guide the light to heal the sky.
So, what are you waiting for, my friend? It's time to take action and start creating amazing content all in one place, without juggling between multiple tools. And the best part, you can easily turn your creativity into real earnings without any complicated process. Because with Catalyst AI, you don't need to waste time generating prompts for every single scene, or creating images separately and then turning them into videos. Here, you get everything under one roof, from cinematic to historical, anime to cartoon, all in just a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, choose the plan that fits your budget, and start creating like a pro today. Alright then, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay creative and keep rocking.